Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with grammar relative pronouns. What is a relative pronoun? A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. What do you mean by clause? Clause means a group of words which contains a verb, so it gives complete sense. But phrase is a group of words which do not contain a verb and it does not give any sense. You see them used every day with the most common relative pronouns being who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, whichever, and that. You can see the example. Peter is the one who gifted me a scarf. Scarf means, it's a cloth. So Peter is the one who is a relative pronoun. And you see in the next, it is made up of a fabric that is very soft. So here, that scarf is a fabric that refers to relative pronoun. In other words, we can say a relative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to refer to nouns, modify them, or say something more about them. So we see here the pronouns that are used to introduce and to link the subordinate clause are called relative pronouns. The words are who, that, which, whose, when, where, whom. Dear students, you identify the noun first. Find the noun that is denoted in the second sentence. Okay. Replace the second noun with relative pronoun. For human beings, for persons, we use who, whom, whose. For places, we use where. For things, we use what, which. For animals, we use which. For time, we use when. Let's look at the following sentences. First sentence you see, the thief who stole the jewels was caught. So, who refers to the thief? That is the relative pronoun. Second one, the horse which was sick died yesterday. Third one you see, this is the house that Mr. Jude built. So, here that is the relative pronoun. Fourth one you see, this is the man whose son won the first prize. Whose. So, this also refers to the relative pronoun. Fifth one you see, this is the boy whom all praise. So, whom refers to the relative pronoun. Sixth one you see, this is the place where I left my shoes. So, for place we are using where. Seventh one, I am not satisfied with what you say. So, here what is a relative pronoun. Eighth one, he explained how he stood first in the exam. This also, how also refer to this relative pronoun. Ninth one, I don't know the reason why she is crying. So here why. Then 10th one you see, Balu is my friend with whom I go to school every day. So we see that some words that can be used as interrogative pronouns, that is what, which, who, whom, and whose. All these are relative pronouns. See the exercise 1. Join the sentences using relative pronouns. First one you see, I have a book. I have a book. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, what will be the answer? I have a book which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. So, it should be removed. I have a book which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Coming to second one, Kavita is my teacher. She teaches us English. Kavita is my teacher who teaches us English. Third one you see, this is Varun. His father is an architect. We are talking about Varun's father. So, answer will be like this. This is Varun whose father is an architect. Fourth one, she invited most of her friends. They attended the party. Answer is, she invited most of her friends who attended the party. Fifth one, give me a pen to write a letter. It was gifted to you on your birthday. So answer is, give me a pen to write a letter which was gifted to you on your birthday. So here which refers to the pen. Sixth one, I have sold the house. It was located at the bank of a river. So answer will be I have sold the house which was located at the bank of a river. Seventh one, here is your watch. It has been found in the garden. So answer is here is your watch which has been found in the garden. It's very easy. You will have to remove the pronouns it, they like that, then you can get the answer. Dear students, you see in the second exercise, in the exams you will be asked like this only. Rewrite as a single sentence using a relative pronoun. First one you see, this is Ram. He is the leader of our class. Answer is, this is Ram who is the leader of our class. Second one, my key was missing. I found it. Answer is, I found my key which was missing. So it should be removed. In that place you should bring which, because you have to take the second sentence only. Then only the answer will be correct. I found my key which was missing. Third one, the performance of these students has been outstanding. They will be given special prizes. See the answer. The students whose performance. It talks about the performance of these students. So the students whose performance has been outstanding will be given special prizes. Now coming to the fourth one. I know the girl. She is a famous sports person. So answer is, I know the girl who is a famous sports person. Fifth one. He suggested many ideas. They were not practical. Answer is, you see, he suggested many ideas that were not practical. Sixth one, the actor whom you met is the hero of this movie. The actor whom you met is the hero of this movie. Actually, it is done. Seventh one, the bridge was damaged. They were willing to set it right. They were willing to set the bridge right, which was damaged. Or you can write like this. They were willing to set the bridge which was damaged. Okay. Eighth one. Did you buy the book? You saw it in the shop. Answer is, did you buy the book which you saw in the shop? Ninth one. A student of a school is responsible to himself. He is also responsible to the society he lives in. So, answer. A student of a school who is responsible to himself is also responsible to the society he lives in. 10th one, I bought a book yesterday. It is my experiment with truth. So, answer. The book which I bought yesterday was my experiment with truth. Now you see the third exercise. Join the sentences using relative pronouns. First one, the parcel reached me this morning. My father sent it. The parcel which my father sent reached me this morning. Okay, second one. This is the house. John built it. This is very easy. This is the house which John built. It should be removed. If you use it means again it will be a repetition. Third one. The girl didn't do her homework. The teacher punished her. The teacher punished the girl who didn't do her homework. Fourth one. He tells lies. He deserves to be punished. He who tells lies deserves to be punished. Fifth one. I know a man. He lives on the bank of the river. Answer, you see, I know a man who lives on the bank of the river. Sixth one. Bring me the box. The box is on the shelf. Bring me the box which is on the shelf. Seventh one. We met a girl. The girl had lost her purse. We met the girl who had lost her purse. See the eighth one. I saw a soldier. He had lost a leg. I saw a soldier who had lost a leg. Ninth one you see. Once upon a time there lived a king. The king was very powerful and cruel. So what's the answer? Once upon a time there lived a king who was very powerful and cruel. Tenth one you see. The dog bit the burglar. He was trying to break into the house. So the answer is the dog bit the burglar who was trying to break into the house. 11th one you see. He likes a shirt. It is blue in color. He likes a shirt which is blue in color. 12th one. Mohini is my guide. She works for India's tourism. Mohini is my guide who works for India's tourism. 13th one. I have sold the bike. It was giving me so much of trouble. I have sold the bike which was giving me so much of trouble. 14th one you see. This is Kavya. Her brother works in Indian Railways. This is Kavya, whose brother works in Indian Railways. See 15th one. He works somewhere. Do you know? Do you know where he works? So you should maintain the question. Do you know where he works? So dear students, hope you have understood the exercises given. You have to write down these answers for the last exercise. And with this, I wind up the class. Thank you.